With you another project that I've made, and it is a journal, but it's also the little clutch bag that Gina, who is a Firefly 67, had showed us how to do using a paper bag. And what I've done is the journal is on the back because the journal is blank, but everything to put inside the journal is in the little clutch bag. So if you haven't already seen Gina's video, she used one of these, like a large, well, she used one, it was a little bit bigger than this, so obviously I'm just using what I've got, and you kind of cut it, you open it out, so obviously it becomes wider, but I will link it below, and you can go over and check that video out if you want to have a go at this yourself. You'll probably have seen it. So I've done this in a butterfly theme, and this will be listed on my shop if you're interested. So I've just held the two of them together with a little piece of vintage lace, and once obviously you have stuffed your journal with everything that's in here, the journal does actually fit inside there, and then you can just tie it back up with this. So I will show you the journal first. Again, I've made that from a paper bag, done some stitching, glued on, well, Mod Podged on this paper, which is from My Porch Prints, and it's absolutely adorable. So the inside is blank because I thought maybe you could put some of the pockets on there and have little tuck spots, or you know, you can make your own things and add it to it as well. So we've got a paper bag here and a journaling page. This is from the old design shop. Some corner rounding. The papers have been either tea or coffee dyed, and there's just a mixture of both inside here. Love this butterfly paper. This is from Tsunami Rose. I'll give you the page number in the book is 72 pages front and back. The other side of the paper bag, the butterfly paper, and I'll give you the measurements of the journal in a second because I haven't actually written that down. So the measurement of the journal is 7.5 by I hate all these little eighths. Just shy of 4 3/4. That makes it easy for me. So the bag has been covered. I didn't do the collaging as Gina done, I just used the full sheets because I thought the papers were very kind of collagey anyway. So I've used that, it's been Mod Podged on, then I've stitched it, and I've tried to do it so that the stitching like around like all the seams, and that's the inside. I haven't done anything right in there because you're not going to see that, but it feels nice, and obviously when it closes, once you've kind of filled the journal up, this will kind of bulk up just slightly because obviously the thickness. So in this little tiny bit of an envelope, there is 6 tabs for you to add to the edges of your paper in the journal, or whatever you want to do with them. So I've just put them in there so they don't kind of run wild in there. Then we have some tags, which these are manila cardstock, and I have stamped and stenciled them. So you got 4 of these. Then you have 4 of these. These have all been backed onto some index cards so you can write on the back. Obviously they've all got butterflies on them. And then these are from ARTYmaze, and these are from Dreams Etc. These are from ARTYmaze, and these are a freebie. You can get them on her Facebook page or her website. Then we've got 2 of these journal cards here, again with the butterflies, and they have been backed onto an index card and inked up around the edges. We have, oops, that's not supposed to be in there. We have 2 large tags that will fit inside the journal. Obviously they're not hugely. They're a little bit smaller than the ones I normally do, because obviously the journal is just a little bit shorter. So there's 2 of them. You get 2 of these, which have been corner punched and they've got the tabs on there and stenciled. You get 2 of these, and these are an idea from Clemmy, and they just open like that, close and tuck in the back of there. Then you have, let's move that, 2 corner pockets which flip up. These are the Rita Donnelly flip up corner pages, and they corner tuck, sorry, and they've been decorated with doilies, some cardstock, butterfly and some eyelash trim. This is an idea from Terri Woods, and that just opens up like that and that, and what you do is just on one of the pages you would just glue it down on these 2 sides, and then it gives you the pocket, and you can open it all up. So it's like a double, actually it's like a triple pocket and a fold out. So that's that one, and then there's this one. Again, just glue it on here and here onto the page like that, and I've paper clipped that closed, so that obviously once you've glued it onto the page, just pop that on to keep it closed. Doily kind of ticket thing that I've made myself, and a butterfly, and then that all opens up like so, and you've got a double pocket with a flip out, which gives you lots of hidden journal space, and then two of these little pockets. They flip up, flip down, so there's 2 of those. So that is what you get. I'll link everyone below, and Gina's video to this as well, obviously, because she was the one that inspired me to make the pouch. And like I said, the pouch, once you've got everything in the journal, that will pop in, and obviously it will be a little bit more bulkier, and then you can just wrap that around like so and tie it in a nice bow. So yeah, you can store it in there, and you can pop that in your bag, or you can sit it in a drawer, wherever you sit it on your bedside cabinet. So there is what you get. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.